Hello everyone and welcome back to the Espresso Repair. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Classic espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the gasket that is located right there. Sadly the valve is leaking, as you can kind of see it right here. Try to close it and it's been slowly dripping through here. This valve is not serviceable, so we will have to replace it if we want to fix that. I also cleaned the shower screen, this one that you see right here. Make sure there's no coffee buildup inside of it. I ran 2 cleaning tablets through the whole system, back flushing the whole machine as well, cleaning the 3-way valve and cleaning the group head. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully we get to see a nice shot of espresso as I'm using my ISO Alex Duero grind. Stop it right here as we ran out of water, but as you can see we had a promising espresso shot coming up. Let's try that again. Okay, let's do an espresso shot. Excellent shot of espresso. Beautiful crema. Looking great. As I mentioned, the steamer does leak as you're brewing. It did a little bit of water right here. As you can see, as long as it's in the tray or into a bucket, it's not gonna bother. But in order to fix that, we will have to replace the entire assembly. So there you have it. Gaggia brewing amazingly and no longer leaking on the boiler. So there you have it. Beautiful espresso shot coming out from this beautiful Gaggia Classic. Thank you so much for repairing with the Espresso Repair. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like and hit that bell.